Hi, my name is Suehmei. Everyone calls me Sue. I'm a management consulting manager based in Bangalore. In 2012, I had my first child. My employer wasn't flexible, so I decided to step away from my career and focus my energies on my private life. I wanted to be there for my second child's formative years as well. As the boys grew up, I became less busy with them and I decided to return to the workforce. I wanted an employer who would let me balance my personal and work life, which ruled out my old industry. I have friends at Accenture, so I had heard a lot about the pro-win work culture. Accenture's Career Reboot program provided immense support to help me scale up and deliver on expectations. The Career Reboot training programs and workshop opportunities go a long way in making you stay relevant and not feel the gap when working with colleagues. The support is invaluable and a real confidence booster. Rejoining the job market can feel very daunting. Don't doubt yourself or be too self-critical. Just try and be relevant and allow yourself time to scale up. Go for it.